The story we are going to tell today is The Thief and the Dog. Once upon a time, there was a thief who stole for a living. Whenever night fell, he traveled through the streets and alleys of villages and cities, looking for people who had carelessly left their windows or doors unlocked. He was cunning and always managed to steal possessions from homes and then quickly disappeared into the night. This thief is not just a career criminal, he is also a smart and knows how to survive. During his long career, he learned many tricks of the trade. One of them is to learn to cope with all kinds of situations, whether they are unexpected or unavoidable. This time the story takes place on a cold winter night when the thief was wandering along the edge of a small city. That night, the thief was walking along the edge of the city, looking for his next target. He noticed a small house with its door left open. The thief was very pleased and thought this would be an easy target. He crept closer to the door and was about to sneak in when suddenly a dog scurried out. The dog looked very scary, had sharp eyes, and made low threatening noises. The thief was so frightened that he almost fell down, but then he quickly came up with a plan. He pulled out a piece of bread in his pocket, broke it into small pieces, and began to throw it to the dog. The dog saw the food and stopped. The thief thought he had succeeded and planned to hurry and sneak into the house, hoping to find more belongings. He was feeling very clever in his mind. However, as he was about to open a drawer, he suddenly felt an ominous aura. He turned around and was surprised to find that the dog did not continue to eat as he had expected, but stopped and stared at him. The dog's eyes were filled with suspicion, as if he was thinking about something. The thief felt a cold sweat rise to his forehead. "Hey, man, get out of the way!" the dog said suddenly. The thief was very surprised, because he had never heard a dog speak before. He didn't know how to respond. The dog continued, "I am very afraid that you are so kind." This statement made the thief realize that he had not hoodwinked the dog, but that the dog had seen through him.